Hi, today we're going to have a look how easy it is to send SMS with the ComHappy One API. We're going to be using a great tool called Postman, which is free and easy to get from www.getpostman.com. So here's the Postman tool. I'm going to start off by creating a new post request. So we're going to go to the ComHappy doc site now, which has got two sections: Get Started for all your tutorials and Reference for all your detailed technical specs. Jump into the reference section and we're going to look at the One API overview to get the URL we need to send. We're going to get the single message URL. So let's just copy that. So as it's a RESTful API, we need to change the API space ID so it knows which API space to send. So we're going to jump now into the ComHappy portal, which you can find at portal.comhappy.com, and open up the menu and go to the platform configuration section in a bit. You can create new API spaces from the drop down here, but we'll come to that later. So jumping into the API space details, and we're going to grab that API space ID, which is a GUID. Paste that in. Right, next we're going to set up our HTTP headers. So we're going to need an authorization header for security. We use JWT, so we're going to need a bearer. And now we need the JWT. So back to the portal. And we're going to jump back into that platform configuration integration section. I'm going to create as a new JWT. We'll give it a name so we can remember what we're using it for. So my demo token. We're going to give it a profile ID, which is a virtual sender ID. And we're going to pick the One API access or channels. Now make sure you copy the token. This is the only time you will see it. So retain that somewhere. I'm going to paste that in. So next we're going to set up the body. So we pick raw and JSON, because we use JSON with the One API. And now we're going to jump into the doc site and go to the channels and SMS to get an example of a One API request for SMS. And here it is, basic SMS send. Copy that and paste that in. Now the only thing we need to change now is the phone number. So I'm going to obscure that for security reasons. Paste in my new phone number and simply hit send. As you can see, we've got a 201 created, so that's succeeded. You can see the JSON for the return and crucially my message ID. And on the right now you can see that I've just received the SMS we sent. Sending really is that easy with ComHappy.